4 divided by 4 equals 1. Then, 6 divided by 6 equals 1. Finally, 1 divided by 1 equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because we did not follow the order of operations, which is one of the most important rules in mathematics. The order of operations is commonly known as PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in any mathematical expression, we first solve the operations inside the parentheses, then, we calculate exponents, then, multiplication and division, and finally, addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority. Therefore, in any expression that contains both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever operation appears first. The same rule also applies to addition and subtraction. So, we solve them from left to right. Now that we understand the order of operations, let's solve the problem from the beginning of the video. But before we do, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. The expression is 4 divided by 4, divided by 6, divided by 6. In this expression, we have more than one division. According to PEMDAS, since divisions have equal priority, we solve them from left to right. So, first we solve this division, then, this division, and finally, this division. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. The expression becomes 1 divided by 6, divided by 6. Then, 1 divided by 6 equals 1 over 6. Finally, we need to calculate 1 over 6 divided by 6. To solve this division, we use the KCF rule. This rule is a simple method for dividing fractions. In this rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. According to this rule, we keep the first fraction as it is, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Now, according to this rule, we keep 1 over 6 as it is, change division to multiplication, and flip 6, which becomes 1 over 6. 1 over 6 multiplied by 1 over 6 equals 1 over 36. Which is our correct answer? Thank you for watching. Goodbye.